A lesson well learnt. Dhani Ram was a rich farmer in Ahmednagar. He grew sugarcane, groundnuts, and wheat in his field. Through sheer hard work and dedication, Dhani Ram had become one of the richest farmers in Ahmednagar. He did his bit for the progress of his village by providing employment to many people and giving them work on his farm. However, he did not tolerate laziness and was a taskmaster. Dhaniram's fields were full with crops and sheds were packed with cows and buffaloes. He was never worried about their upkeep. His workers were as punctual as the sunrise. Come rain or storm, they would never miss a day's work. Dhaniram too loved all of them like father and took care of them well. Dhaniram's son Mahesh, who studied in Mumbai, had just returned having finished his course in farming technology. He was thrilled at seeing the lush green fields with crops swaying to the gentle breeze. The stalks of ripe crops made him wonder how rich his father must be. He started dreaming about taking over the farms and getting rich too. Mahesh told his father, "Dad, I want to start living here. I am not going back." Dhaniram was a wise man and realized that this was because his son saw the end result and not to the humble beginnings, hard work, and labor that had gone into it. However, he welcomed Mahesh with open arms. He took him to the farthest farm patch, which was a sugarcane field. The crops had just been cut and were being stuck into the tractors to be taken to the market. Sugarcane fetched good money, and this thrilled Mahesh to bits. Dhaniram said, "Son, although I am giving you this farm to work as you want to, I would suggest you work on my farm with my workers to learn the trade." Mahesh said, "Oh, no, father. I have studied farming technology in Mumbai. You don't worry. I will handle everything." Next few days went off celebrating, since he was the owner of a rich patch of land. Soon he appointed a manager and 3 farmers to till and plug the land. For the first few days, he would go to the farm regularly to make sure everything was done properly. But then he started going only every other days. Later, it became once a week, and within a few months, even that stopped. Then the manager started stealing money from the cash box, and the farmers start picking up things from the storehouse. The money that Mahesh had soon got over, and he had no money to pay his worker. The fertile land, which reaped huge profits for Dhaniram, returned into a barren patch due to lack of proper manure and watering. The local cooperative, which had lent Mahesh money for the farm, took over the farm and threw him out of there. The son of such a rich farmer was homeless and penniless. His own people did not even turn up to ask if he needed anything. Harassed and hungry Mahesh went to his father's house. One could hardly recognize him in that state. Father, the local cooperative bank has taken over my farm. I have no money to pay them. I don't know what to do. Dhaniram looked at him and said, my dear farming technology graduate, looks like you have not learned well the first lesson of farming, which is punctuality and self-discipline. Without it, all your intelligence and business sense is useless. Your people cheat you because you were not bothered about your own farm. You were interested only in the money. You show no self-discipline that is required to learn money. Mahesh threw himself at his father's feet and repent for his mistakes. Father, I will join your farm from tomorrow as a farmer. I will use this lesson of self-discipline as a leader to reach success. I now know that time will value me only when I value it. He returned the barrel patch back into a lush green farm with sweet sugar cane. Success never tastes so sweet